Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can upload multiple photos on TikTok. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Play Store and you need to search for TikTok like I am doing. Okay, and then you need to update your TikTok application because this is a new update. Once you've done that, you simply need to go on to your TikTok application. Okay, and then you need to click on the plus icon and click on uploads, and then you need to select multiple photos. So let me select multiple photos from here. Okay, then you need to click on next, and here you can see the option of switch to photo mode. So click on that option, and now it is in the photos mode, and then you need to click on next, and then you need to post your photos. So this is a process by which you can upload multiple photos on TikTok. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.